Welcome to the CPD series on AI integration in building inspection processes. This 10-part series covers practical AI applications, from drones to data analysis, with insights into safety, cost-effectiveness, and legal considerations. Complete the full series to earn a CPD certificate. In the first half of this series, you'll explore the fundamentals of AI in building surveying, including drone technology, automated data analysis, safety enhancements, and cost-efficiency strategies. These sessions lay the groundwork for integrating AI into your professional practice. The second half of the series focuses on overcoming technical and regulatory challenges, understanding Hong Kong's legal framework, and exploring the career impact of AI. You'll also gain insights into future trends like low-altitude economies and emerging technologies. Beyond this series, our platform offers a wide range of CPD courses, final assessment resources, and one-on-one consultation services. Prepare for your practical task or final interview with expert support from our experienced assessors. Ready to enhance your skills? Complete all 10 classes to earn your CPD certificate. Keep building your expertise with our continuous learning resources. To learn more, visit the Building Surveying Excellence Academy.